I'm here with Emily from BIHUI, and we are talking new tools in the BIHUI booth. We've got the concrete grinder here. Emily, what's so special about this grinder? Aside from the fact that Tools for Flooring is giving it away in their contest for Surfaces 2026.
Very nice. So this concrete grinder is, it's a 7-inch grinding cup wheel on the bottom. It's got the thread. You can remove this little door trap here so that you can ride right up against the wall so that you don't miss any, spots in the floor. So that part's really nice. It's magnetic, so you won't lose it. You've got your vacuum attachment back here. And it is variable speed. So you can adjust your speed over here on the side. And then the nice part is you have a cruise control button. So as you engage.
So it stays on without having to hold.
Yeah. So you screws it right here, or you push in right here. And then it just allows it to keep rolling so that you're not squeezing the whole time.
I really like the magnets on the front of that shroud. I've had a few where they've got like screws on there and you have to unscrew it to get it off.
Yeah.
And then put them back when you want to use it again.
Yeah.
But that is a nice.
Yeah, so this is nice. Like, a lot of guys are afraid, I'll lose that.
That's
then they see the magnet and they're like, okay. But yeah, it's a really nice concrete grinder. We've been waiting forever to get it in, and so we finally have it. So I'm excited.